Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem file, copy the corrupted RBXL or RBXLX to a safe folder so you never overwrite the original. Next, close Roblox Studio to stop any further writes and make sure autosave is off while you recover. Once done, confirm Studio is up to date. Version mismatches can break formats. Then open a plain text editor to inspect the file header. You want to see whether it's XML, RBXLX, or binary. That determines the next repair method. You now dig into the content. If it's RBXLX, scan for broken XML tags and missing closing elements. Fix them carefully, one tag at a time, because a single error stops parsing. For binary RBXL files, create a new place in Studio and use Insert Object to import assets or copy models and pieces. This lets you salvage components. Also, run the asset and plugin checks in Studio. Corrupted plugins often cause crashes. Make sure to save incremental copies as you repair, so you can backtrack. You finish by saving the repaired file under a new name and loading it in Studio to verify functionality, test scripts, bindings, and terrain. If issues remain, export working models as RBXM or RBXMX and reconstruct the place gradually, checking after each import. Make sure to re-enable autosave or version control once stable. If nothing works, restore the cloud backup or an earlier local copy. That single rollback often resolves unrecoverable corruption and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.